Maggie, you want the sausage? Bang! Bang! Scoop it. No, Maggie. Bang! Maggie. Bang! No. Yeah. Bang! Don't look very dead to me. Bang! Hold on. Sit. Say hi. Ow. Okay, I get it. I get it. Maggie, do you want world peace or do you want sausage? Maggie, think about it. Think about the big picture. World peace or sausage? If you eat this sausage, there will never be world peace. Can you live with that? Yeah, it's kind of awkward now, isn't it? World peace or sausage? Think about it. If you eat this sausage, there will never be world peace. Okay, this is it. Your final decision. Scoop back. Final decision. World peace or sausage? What's it going to be? It's okay, Maggie. If you really want the sausage, I'm sure we'll find some other way to gain world peace. Do you want the sausage? Oh, you're conflicted. That's a good girl. Because you're conflicted about world peace versus sausage, you can have the sausage.